This is the FREEGENE 4-port USB 2 hub, and as you can see, once plugged in, the cable is approximately 25 centimeters long. And to compare the size of it, as you can see, it's a pretty compact unit. Okay, let's take a closer look. So that's the top. Those are the 4 ports. And that's the underside. When you plug it in, it's a good tight fit. But this is what I like about this. It's just slick. And this is another view close up. Just shows it up for what it is. It's just lovely. For those of you who want to know what it looks like in the dark, here it is. I hope you found this useful, and thank you for watching.